Okay, so today what we are doing though is we're gonna move the horn that's outside, that's on the wrong side. We're gonna pop that sucker off, put it closer to the dumpster. Then we're gonna put the second PTZ where the horn was out there to really catch everybody. I want to be able to zoom down the freeway and use that as a test because I had it just sitting here. I was gonna put it on my house, but I was like, oh, my neighbors might not like this giant monster on the back corner. And then today we have two other things to install here too. We have this new CM22 to install, and then we're gonna install this new Verkada alarm panel. We're gonna put that guy in the drop tile cutout mount. Yeah, I don't know
What
why.
size camera is this for? Is this for that little tiny ass
It's supposed to fit any of the models, and just the lens is supposed to pop out.
Well, that's why I assumed.
Yeah.
Fit like a full-size dome?
Yeah, fill it full-size dome or mini and just have the lens pop out.
Imagine the size of the TV that you'd mount with that thing. like the little Michael Scott
12.
TV, like
7-inch. Yeah,
I got a plasma TV screen.
A plasma TV. Check it out. A lot of people in the room, you need more space. Voila, right into the wall. Wow.
But you can't really see like the faces that good from everywhere when it comes to that angle. Just sees like the room. So we'll put the mini to see the room, and then I'm gonna move the 4K to this one and stick it in there.
I still haven't gotten that jacket yet. Huh?
This is for digital dream.
He said,
First, right? Digital dream team.
Dream Team, baby.
We're live here today at the Digital Dreams headquarters, you know, home base. We're doing a few things. We're making a couple changes out back. We got a new alarm panel we're gonna be hooking up today. It's a lot of stuff going on. Let's get it. Holiday season. We're all working at the shop. Nobody's on the road. Let's go. Trying to find the wire to the PTZ so we could get it on the plus switch because it requires 60 watts. So we need to get it into this switch here.
Work it, girl.
You gotta wax that ass.
Hard doing all the work around this piece.
So fly. You never see him bummy. He never had a job but keeps a pocket full of money lit low.
All right, the Christmas edition is fully wrapped here. We added a panel, we added a PTZ, we moved a couple things. It's officially a wrap. You know what? New year, Digital Dreams, baby. We wired up
A new PTZ.
wired up the new hardwired alarm panel, and
Moved a horn.
a couple things.
Yeah, moved a horn. Added some wired motion sensors.
It is a wrap.
Christmas
Done.
edition.
Headquarters is done.